Hello guys and good morning. Okay, today I'm gonna tell you something, and we're gonna do a DIY. Why am I DIY? We're gonna do a DIY how to make your own camera bag. Hey guys, and how are you? And I'm ramjoseph.staana, and I'm a photographer. And today we're gonna do our own camera bag. I have made my own camera bag, and it's with me. And I have used this like for a very long time already. And it's a great camera. It's a great camera bag. It's sturdy. It's capable of going really rough days. So yeah, and here it is. Yeah, this is my camera bag. It's just a plain simple bag. So how are you gonna turn it this one here? If I don't know if you can see it, I don't know how you're gonna turn this little guy here into your own very own camera bag. So step one, you gotta get your own camera bag. As you can see, this bag is quite cool. You know, it's that really hard cotton. I don't know if you call it cotton, but you know, it also has this padded back right here, if you can see it. And this camera bag has been with me. You know, I went running to catch some of the buses here at Dubai, and it never breaks off. And if you can see this one here, it's quite very sturdy. I don't know if you can see it. It's cool. I love it. You know, in the front you got these two pouches where you can put most of your stuff. And yeah, so yeah, what's inside? You know, I do have my camera here, which is ta-da! Yeah, the Fujifilm X100. Yeah, and what's the other one inside? It's this one. This is what holds the whole bag. If you're wondering, this is what holds the whole bag and the whole camera. I mean, what holds the whole camera inside the bag. So this is what actually need. These things are very cheap. You know, sometimes when you buy a camera, these things come with the camera. If you're buying with you know, the whole camera package, and you just put it in there. And example, just show you. Take this right here. You know, it has a strap. You can remove it. I haven't, because sometimes, you know, when you're on the go, you just put it in there with your camera or any other camera. It's a DSLR. If you're using a Canon Mark 5, 5D Mark 3. It's cool. I have used that camera as well, and I put it in here. It's a great camera, and that's it. You know, it's that simple. You can also put your tripod here. And if you have an extra strap, you can just strap it on here, on the side. Cool, you know? And I like it, you know? It could be your own small adventure bag, because you don't have to buy those really expensive, if you don't have the money, I mean, if you don't have the money to buy those really expensive camera bags, you know, you can just, you know, make your own camera bag. And this one right here just, you know, does the job. You can also put some other things like water, or you know, not water, I mean like clothes and everything else, or example a Mavic, a DJI Spark, you know, so those small ones, you can just put them in there if you're going on adventures. And other things, food, as long as, you know, if you're buying food or water, seal it properly, because you don't want it all over your camera or something. So that's it, you know, it's that small, you know, it's this small, and you don't have to buy a lot of things. It's that simple. And I'm not against buying those really expensive camera bags, because first, they are durable and they are useful to use those type of, and they are used for a purpose only for the cameras, and they do protect your camera in many different ways. But you know, buying those are really, you know, pricey sometimes, and you know, you're all buying all these gears and stuff, and you have to think, oh, I have to buy a proper camera bag. And you know, when you're starting photography, especially for the beginners, you know, making your own camera bag is quite, a cool thing, and for me. And when I see a person making their own camera bags, it's like, hey, cool, nice camera bag. Uh, this camera bag is durable. Yeah, like I said, I've run with it. It went into rain, although it's not waterproof like other camera bags. Some, I do have a camera bag for myself. Yes, I do have a other camera bag, and I can put like if you're using a Fujifilm, like what I do, is you can actually put 3 cameras in there or just 2, and yeah, that's how you make your own camera bag, and you don't have to, waste a lot of money. It's cheaper. Yes, I know, cheap. It's not bad to go cheap. You're saving money for yourself to buy more gear for lenses, or you're buying a new body. Just saving money, and especially in this pandemic here. You have to improve your gear and protect your gear. That's why you have to make your own camera. And just don't make a bag and just put your camera in there. You're getting all scratches from all your stuff. So yeah, that's how I make my own camera bag. I don't know, it's the best. I don't for you guys. Hey, leave a comment below. How, if you have your own, you make yourself camera bag thing. You do it yourself camera bag thing. Because it's doing this DIY thing. It's quite for the brain thing. Oh my god.